Hello, friendship. I'm Jiz, and welcome to Magesco Garden and Pool Services, your one-stop provider for swimming pools, landscaping, and home improvement. We're back. In this video, I will take you behind the scenes of our latest project here at Magesco Garden and Pool Services. You will get to see how we transform ordinary outdoor space into a dream swimming pool. Plus, I will also share some helpful tips and ideas about swimming pools, from design inspiration to practical maintenance advice. So get ready to be inspired. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Today's topic is all about our current projects. At first, we have a swimming pool construction located at Malvar, Batangas. Magesco have two current projects in Malvar, Batangas: an under-construction infinity pool with a kiddie pool that also have an infinity canal. Did you know that while considered modern, the concept of an infinity pool is actually quite old, with the Palace of Versailles' Stag Fountain utilizing a similar design in the early 1400s.
Wow!
This is Magesco's second swimming pool construction at Malvar, Batangas. Our second project is a jacuzzi project located at Imus, Cavite. A small yet relaxing jacuzzi that has so many benefits in our body. The warm water and jets can help you relax and de-stress. The heat and jets can help ease muscle aches, stiffness, and inflammation. The heat can help you fall asleep faster and have fewer interruptions, and so much more. Our third project is a swimming pool repair located at Las Piñas City, also with a small jacuzzi for relaxation. Did you know that pool tiles are specially designed to withstand harsh conditions like constant water exposure, sunlight, and pool chemicals, making them different from regular household tiles? We also have a swimming pool construction located at Salon, Cavite. Take a look, guys. Did you know that sweating in the pool? Even though you're in water, swimmers still sweat while swimming. Now you know. This next current project is a swimming pool construction located at Das Marinas, Cavite, with its beautiful and cool design, and it will be enjoyed soon. A pool's tile color significantly affects its water temperature, with darker colors like black absorbing more sunlight and heat, causing the pool water to be noticeably warmer compared to lighter colored tiles, which reflect more heat away from the water. Essentially, darker tiles make the pool feel hotter, while lighter tiles make it feel cooler. This next project is a swimming pool construction also located at Las Piñas City. It is in the phase of excavation. A well-maintained concrete pool can last for 50 years or more, and a well-constructed in-ground pool can last a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects and tips. Let Magesco Garden and Pool Services bring your outdoor dreams to life. See you in the next video.